Alright, I just flipped this out with my stick. Nice. Alright, just walked up on this. Oh, so nice. Thank you. Alright, I'm in the tunnel. A lot of rain. Walked up to that. Thank you. Alright, I may have another one here. Alright, another one. Thank you. Alright, I just picked up those 2 points. And I have another one laying here. I've never found arrowheads in this section of the creek, and now I found 3 in like 100 yards. Nice. A little bit of damage right there. Thank you.